Hi, welcome again. My name is Patricia and welcome to Yah-tah Lifestyle. And in today's video, we're going to make our own granola cereal from scratch. So, but before we get into the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. Leave a comment and let me know if you like the videos. So without further ado, let's get into the videos. So we're gonna bake at 350 degrees. So I'm gonna preheat the oven as we speak. So let's get into the video and get the ingredients rolling. So for starters, I'm using the old-fashioned roll oats. So I'm gonna use 3 cups of oats. 1, whoopsie, 2, 3 cups. Apparently my container is too small, so I'm gonna transfer it to a bigger container. But you're not gonna be able to see in there. But let's get into the video. Half cup pecan, half cup almond chop. I use sliced almond. So, but you can use whatever almond of your choice. But this is what I like. So I'm using what I like. Half cup sunflower seed. Half cup dried cranberry. 1/4 teaspoon salt. I'm using sea salt, but you can use whatever salt of your choice. Half a teaspoon cinnamon. But if you're a nutty person like me that really love nuts, you can sprinkle. I'm using some pumpkin seeds. I can't do it this without some pumpkin seed. I didn't measure it. I just an handful of pumpkin seed, and I can't leave out flaxseed. You can use whatever amount of flaxseed of your choice, but I'm gonna use a little. I'm not even measuring it. Maybe less than a 1/4 cup or a 1/4 cup. Let's see, maybe a 1/4 cup, yeah, of flaxseed. The old flaxseed. I'm using the whole grain, the old flaxseed. And then we're gonna get into the mixture. As you can see, just mix together. My next mixture is honey. So I got the honey over here, and I put it on heat to get it softened up and ready. So I'm gonna use a 1/2 cup of honey. It's warm, but if you have your honey and it's like getting hard, getting hard up, the best way how to get it, just put it in some warm water and get it. So you're gonna throw your honey all over here. Let's take a look here. And you stir, constantly stirring. You can also add a little olive oil to it. It's up to you. You don't have to add any oil. But if you want, you can add a little olive oil. I'm not gonna add any oil to mine. I don't want any oil in there. Ooh, look here, look. Beautiful. So I'm going to use parchment paper to layer the pan. I'm going to use the parchment paper to layer the pan. So now I'm gonna pour in my mixture. But I use honey, but you can use, but if you want to, you can use maple syrup. You can use syrup of your choice. But because I'm going like healthy, I don't want any of those type of sugar, which the honey is much more natural than the added sugar. I bad. So this is gonna bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. The oven is ready, so let's get in. Alright. Oh, now the granola is ready. Ta-da! It's beautifully brown. Tastes good, but I'm gonna package it in a container. Guys, please remember, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Subscribe to my channel, like it, leave a comment in the link below. And here is my final result. So I'm gonna I'm gonna serve mine with almond milk. You can serve it with whatever milk of your choice, but it's all about plant-based for me, guys. And that's, here we go. It can save for 2 weeks at room temperature in a tight lock container. So this is a container that it's tightly locked. So this is my cereal. I need to get rid of them. This is my cereal. Let's see. There you go. There you go. And this is my bowl of cereal. And I'm gonna drink with my milk, my almond milk. So that's it for today, guys. Have a wonderful and blessed day. See you in my next video.